Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you live from Frontline Backer Church. We're down here at the Fall Festival / Trunk or Treat. So we're gonna walk around and see what kind of pretty cool cars they have dressed up. So grab a chair, sit back, and enjoy. And let's come on with me on this day the Lord has made. Let's see what He has in store for us today. So grab a chair, sit back, and enjoy. Now I like this one right here. This is for one of the trunk or treats, and they got a picture of Noah on the ark and all the angels. I love that. And they got some of the stuff here that's been donated. I like the pins. Oh God, oh my God, I can't stand that. They got some over here too. Oh, this is beautiful stuff.
It is beautiful.
And all this stuff has been donated for the children's program. I was gonna tell you this too. This is their hayride. They took that's pretty cool right there. They took a barrel and cut it out, and that is hand trucks. I'm sorry, that's the smaller hayride. That's the bigger one. It's the bigger hayride right here. They that's pretty cool right there. Right on a Ford tractor. I will say this, there's a lot of people out here. They got games out here too. They doing little kids games. And I've already done over here there. That's where all the crafts were. But this is some of the games out here for the children. Axe throwing and baseball. And this is their bouncy house right here. They got two of them over here for the kids. Turned out to be a pretty good afternoon. It's really, it's not too bad. It's kind of chilly out here, like it was earlier this morning. What was that? This guy right here is trying to get me to he was doing something. I told him to do something for my YouTube channel now, or I don't know if he understood me, but he walked off. Just like for their 4th of July, they are doing popcorn and ices over here. And this is some of the tables they got set out here, just like they did for 4th of July. And right over here in this area is where they're doing the hot dogs and French fries, and you can get tea. And, you can get chili cheese fries. gonna show you this. This is the line for the trunk or treat. This is a line for everybody that's, I mean, there's a lot of people here. I'm gonna show you, this is the people waiting for the trunk or treat. The line runs all the way over there. That's how many people is here. And this is the trunk or treat right here. They starting. I thought I'd come out here before they start. And this is the some of the candy they got. I like how they did this one. Oh, it's like a Starbucks, a coffee shop. Oh, I like that one. Wild About Jesus.
That's right. Wild About Jesus.
I like this one right here, the pumpkin patch. Fall for Jesus. I like that one. I like the colors too. Now I don't know what this one. They don't have a name on this one, but I like this one. Next one over here. This is Tangled in God's Love. I like that one. And I like this one right here. It's got it's made up like the fishing. And I like this one right here. It's got the three. Oh, I like that. I'll get you to do something for my YouTube channel in a minute. I like this one right here. There with a skeleton. You enjoying yourself? You enjoying yourself here at the Frontline Biker Church? Yep. I like this one right here with the three witches. Yep. Oh, I like that one. I like the ghost. I like this one right here. We got the clown with the witches over here. And now where are you supposed to be? Oh, I like this one right here with the teepee. Oh, I love that one with the teepee. And the pumpkin and the bird. I like this one right here. They should have music playing in this one. No, I'm just looking at the speakers.
Yeah, well, the music won't work.
I was just looking. That's what I was saying. I knew what the.
We had it set up for Christian music. We had a signal out here.
I like this one right here. This is the Flintstones. I love this one. I love how they fixed this. And this is the Pirates. I like that one too.
Where's Abigail?
And I don't know if you can really see me, but this is it for this one. We are leaving the Biker Church here in Kershaw. We came to their fall festival. I met some of my subscribers here. Johnny LeGrand, buddy I went to high school with, one of my subscribers. So he watches all my stuff. Appreciate it, man. But be safe. God bless. And if you want to support the channel, donate. I'll leave my Cash App and my PayPal in the links below. And if you want to subscribe, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit your bell when I notify you when I upload videos just like this one. And remember to love God, love others, and reach the world.